Hi Primary 2, I hope you're all safe and well and you didn't get blown away over the weekend. It was very windy outside. Today I'm going to read you another Supertato book. This one's called Supertato, Veggies, Assemble. Now that word assemble sounds kind of familiar. Sounds a bit like the word assembly. Now assemble means to bring people together. So in this book, Supertato's not going to be alone. He's going to have friends that help him. Okay? Now, mums and dads, this is for you. Up the school, so from primary 3 to primary 7, we use a programme called reflective reading. Primary 2, haven't started that yet officially, but Miss McGee and I have started to introduce the concepts through some fun, more simple characters. So we've already looked at 4 this year, and today we're going to revise the wandering walrus technique. So we're going to use our question words, or I'm going to use my question words to ask you some questions as we read. Wandering walrus wants you to know you should always ask questions as you go. What, who, where, why, and when. Okay, so I'll read you the story, but I'll also ask you a few questions at the same time. When you hear one of the questions, pause the video and discuss your answers. Okay? So, Supertato, Veggies, Assemble. It was night time in the supermarket and everyone was sleeping peacefully. Or were they? Uh-oh, I recognise him. Oh dear. Someone was looking for trouble. Mwah, ha, ha, ha. Soon this supermarket will be mine, all mine. And with one click, all the freezers were switched off. Oh dear, look, he's moved the switch from on to off. He's put all the freezers off. You may already know this, but some vegetables are frozen for a very good reason. I do remember that from last book. If they defrost, they turn bad, really bad. And baddest of them all is the evil pea. Wakey, wakey, he called. Look, he's waking up all the other frozen peas. Oh my goodness. One evil pea was bad enough, but now there were bags of them. Look at them all. They're taking over. The supermarket was in meltdown. Run for it! Panicked Pepper. They do look very panicked. Save me, stuttered Pear. Oh dear. Save me, begged Melon. Save me, cried Carrot. I'm melting, pleaded Lolly, and time's running out. Was there anyone who could save them? Okay, so my first question is, who is going to save them? Okay, I hope you had a good discussion. Let's find out. It's Supertato! Supertato to the rescue. There he is, with his big grin and his cape. But before Supertato could save anyone, he was attacked by a swarm of peas. A swarm of peas? I've never heard of that phrase before. A swarm of bees, maybe. But look at them. They're all over him. What's going on? Asked Aubergine. We're doomed, that's what, cried Cucumber. Things were going from bad to worse. Oh dear. Supertato was thrown onto the conveyor belt and he was heading straight for the bagging area. Oh dear, he's moving along and I think he might fall off. Was this the end for Supertato? Okay, my second question is, what is going to happen next? Here we go. I'm going to need some backup. If I can just call the... He's pressed a button on his belt. Look. And it's sending up a very clear signal with a capital V. Super Veggies to the rescue. So it's not just Supertato anymore, it's Super Veggies. We've got butternut squash, tomato, pickle and sweet corn. They used ninja know-how. Hiya! They used massive muscles. They used fancy footwork. Quick, quick, quick. And they used a box with a door cut in it. That's very sneaky. Look, the peas think they're going to a party, but actually it's like a prison. Sorry I'm late. I just needed to pick up some dessert. It's Supertato, and he's got some fab ice cream in his hands. And now for those freezers. He clicked them back on. And I'll be needing a glass and a piece of paper. Eh, a glass and a piece of paper? Okay, let's have a think. What is he going to do with a glass and a piece of paper? Let's find out. Who ordered the vegetables? Screeched the evil pea. You think you've beaten me, but I'm going to... You're going to do what? Asked Supertato. Oh, Supertato's caught him with the piece of paper and the glass. Look at the evil pea, he's not very happy about that. Supertato's got his super grin. He's happy. 3 cheers for Supertato, shouted Broccoli. Supertato blushed. I couldn't have done it without the super veggies. Actually, I'm not a vegetable, I'm a fruit, said Tomato, and everybody laughed and cheered. There he is. So, with the peas back in their bags and the freezers locked, oh, they're locked up nice and tight this time, the supermarket was once again a safe place to be. Isn't it wonderful? Said one lolly to the other. We're all back to normal. Now, my last question, boys and girls, is about this picture. I want you to have a look at that picture and look at these lollies. They look a bit funny. I wonder what's happened to them. And then I think these fish fingers are laughing at them. So I want you to have a think about why these fish fingers are laughing at the lollies. Okay? Okay, I think they're laughing because they've melted and they look a bit funny. They've not gone back to normal. Their faces have changed shape. It just makes them look a bit funny, that's all. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that story. Your task for this week is to create your own super veggie. So, my favourite vegetable is broccoli. So I have drawn super broccoli. Look at that. But this is my attempt. I've just tried my best. That's all you need to do. So I've drawn broccoli, I put a face on him, and then I've given him a cape and a belt with a capital S for super, okay? And now what I need to do is label him. So I would like my super vegetable to have 2 superpowers. I'm going to go for super strength, so now if you find that tricky to spell, you can ask mums and dads to help you. Super strength, and oh, I know, if I was a superhero, I'd really like to fly. So I'm going to say that my broccoli can fly. There we go. So, picture in the middle and labelled with superpowers. So my first superpower is super strength. Look at his big muscles. And then I'm going to say that he can fly, and I've pointed to his cape. That helps him fly. Okay? You do yours the way you want and have fun with it. Okay, bye!